This cocktail is called a Gladiator Stinger. Now, it is similar to an original Stinger, which involves brandy and white cream to mint. The Gladiator Stinger involves brandy, peppermint schnapps, and sambuca. Let's get started. We'll take our shaker glass, we'll fill it with ice. Now, we are going to be making this drink in a cocktail glass. In this case, we're going to use a martini glass, which we have chilling off to the side. It's going to be equal parts of all the ingredients. We're going to use 1 ounce each. And let's break out our jigger to help us with this. We'll start with our brandy, and we'll pour it in the 1 ounce side of the jigger. Now, you can free pour if you want to. You can do it definitely if you have a pour spout, but a jigger helps a lot if you don't have any pour spouts around the house. And we're going to use sambuca here, 1 ounce of that. Sambuca has a licorice flavor to it. And peppermint schnapps, in this case it's going to be Rumpelmann's, which is a 100 proof peppermint schnapps. So this drink is going to have some kick to it. And also nice refreshing taste too. Peppermint schnapps and some licorice. Should be really good. Let's give this a good shake. Now you'll notice it's coming out a little bit cloudy. That's from the sambuca. When sambuca gets cold or it's mixed with ice, it does get cloudy. So don't worry, you didn't have dirty ice or a dirty glass. It's meant to look that way. Look at that. That is a Gladiator Stinger. Be careful.